Did you hear that?
It's okay, we'll help you.
You can do it! We did it! You're safe now. That doesn't look good. We have to stop it! Follow Ember! Follow Ember! Follow Ember! Good idea! Almost there! The wind's getting stronger. Cover it completely. Yes, it's working. We did it. Someone needs help again. Don't worry, we'll get you down. I'll climb carefully. You can do it, Leo! Almost there. Keep going!
Whoa!
Leo, hold on! I've got it. You're safe now! We're all friends here. We make a great team. Someone needs help.
It's okay, we're here.
Someone move the river. It's not enough. Time to call the team. The river is blocked right there. You understand? Team, push the rocks clear. Monkeys, try to swim with them log. Ember, dig the channels now. We didn't just fix the river, we fixed the heart. Ready for the next adventure?